Luxury on the ocean is timeless, but the way we live is constantly evolving. A residence built 20 years ago may still have spectacular architecture and breathtaking views, yet today's luxury lifestyle demands something entirely different. It's no longer about a collection of separate rooms. It's about openness, flow, and creating an environment that is designed for both entertaining and effortless everyday living. The transformation begins by opening up the floor plan, allowing the kitchen to become the heart of the home rather than a space hidden behind walls. A beautifully designed island becomes the gathering place, seamlessly connecting the kitchen, dining room, and living areas into one expansive entertainment environment. A sophisticated bar adds another destination for guests, while 2 or 3 thoughtfully designed sitting areas create intimate spaces for conversation, relaxation, or simply enjoying spectacular surroundings. The ceilings are key because the ceilings are what divide the spaces rather than walls, creating different shapes, giving it an organic design throughout. Lighting also becomes the mood of the whole apartment at different times of day. You get different moods and different types of glares. You're able to control that with properly designed ceilings. A desirable see-through resident, yes, you see it through the architecture, and this should celebrate both exposures, the east view as well as the west view. Whether you're watching the sunrise over the Atlantic or the sunset to the west, every major living space should embrace those panoramic views. Even when adding functionality such as an additional guest bedroom or den, you don't have to sacrifice openness. Frameless glass partitions allow the room to remain visually open either way. It all connects the residences from one end to the other, yet offering perfect privacy from both sides. Almost disappearing into architecture yet when it's open. Earth tones are essential as they connect your environment towards your interiors. Luxury comfort as well as deep and rich seating, and the option of watching TV from every end, yet you don't see the TV because the TV will be hidden in a cabinet and only pops up electronically when you want to use it, giving you the opportunity of seeing the view or seeing the show you want to watch. See-through apartment is everything. Continuing that concept of the architecture with the furnishing and layout and space planning is essential. The same philosophy extends to the primary suite. Instead of a conventional walk-in closet, a custom boutique dressing room transforms the daily routine into a luxury experience. The bedroom is open to the boutique or closet, if you wish to call it that. But the views shall always be reflected with proper touches, because that is the biggest asset of this property, the location. Beautifully illuminated cabinetry, elegant display areas, and meticulously planned storage elevate the space for simple function to a personal showroom worthy of a 5-star hotel in your own residency. Comfort, elegance, and romance is what makes this bedroom stand out. And yet, when you go into the master suite, the feel of a spa is achieved with a slab that reflects the color of that beautiful blue ocean behind the standalone tub, where you can sit and relax and enjoy your amenities. Ultimately, true luxury isn't defined by expensive finishes alone. It is achieved through exceptional planning, intelligent architecture, and thoughtful details that enhance the way you live every day. By reimagining the layout, maximizing every view, and incorporating today's lifestyle, a beautiful oceanfront residence can be transformed into a timeless home that feels as relevant and sophisticated today as it will decades from now.